So, fellow HubSpotters, I'm excited to unveil a new feature you may not be aware of. So, deal velocity and contact lifecycle stages, you can now track these against the actual cards themselves. In other words, the records within HubSpot. So HubSpot has now actually released this feature where deal velocity, so in other words, the actual movement in the pipeline, the time spent at each of the stages, as well as your lifecycle stage velocities can all be tracked in an actual stage tracker itself. What this means is against the actual relevant records themselves, you can actually see the progression made against those records. This avoids the need then to create manual reports or actual dashboards just to show the movement against the opportunities or against the contacts lifecycle stages themselves. So jumping into HubSpot, just to showcase what this looks like. As you can see here, I just have an example record. And the key things just to call out is by the inclusion of this deal stage tracker, we can not only see the total time spent within the pipeline itself. So you can see here, this opportunity spent a total of 5 months. But more importantly, against each of the stages themselves, we can see how long this specific opportunity spent at each of those stages. So again, it gives more onus and kind of ownership to the users themselves to actually manage their pipeline, but also quickly and easily enabling things like coaches, reps, or even management to actually review particular opportunities and the actual performance against those. So again, with a few clicks in the middle, the customization of your middle pane, we can actually include these trackers to give you this insight with ease.